What's up, guys? Kind of late right now, that's why I kind of look tired and I have a huge headache, but figured I'd go ahead and give you an update before we leave the shop. It's just going to be a quick little vlog style update. I normally do super long videos, so let's just do a little quick one. So we're road tuning this thing. Well, we were street tuning it. It's got a built SR in it. Body's a little rough. It's like a sleeper car. We got this thing doing a lot of what we want it to now. ECU's responding fine. Built SR on an AEM Infinity. No, I think it is an Infinity Series 2. That is my buddy's Evo. Is it running weird? Yeah. I like this it's vlog style. You can tell them what we're doing with the Evo as well. It's gonna be really loud. Right. That's what we got at the shop right now. Got TJ's SR. A clean SR. A not so clean SR. I'm explaining the version between a clean SR and then this SR. Yeah, I think it's definitely probably one of the most sleeper cars we've ever seen. Yeah. Not to embarrass you, Nathan. It's not, you're working on it. It's swapped. Yeah. But it does have some body. This is like farm truck if he was into imports. Yeah, completely. Like, I doubt people would be expecting that. Yeah. But I mean, like I said, we street tuned it. It's running pretty damn strong from what we can tell. Yeah. Gotta say, we've heard some nightmare stories about AEM ECUs, but his ECUs working freaking phenomenal. And the difference that we were talking about earlier is that this ECU really responds like super quick compared to anything you do. So we can be cruising it, update a map. I'm driving, he's doing some road tuning before we get it on the dyno, and you can see the change on your AMR instantly. What we learned with a lot of Honda stuff is it's a little weird. I mean, it does adjust, but nothing is as in real time as this thing. So, but I mean, Kevin knows, he's the one that's doing the tuning on this one, so he knows that it's responding much quicker. Tuning it. But yeah, it's a built SR on a Tomei turbo. We're gonna road tune it, give it back to the customer so he can go ahead. He's got to put some wheels on it, do a little TLC, then we'll see it back for a dyno session. But right now it was just finishing up the swap. He had another guy do it, and there was some really sketch wiring to say the least. They took a new wire specialties harness and like cut up the plug, and it just made it a mess because it was on the disc tune, but it was really funky. So we definitely did the car good, but as you can see, the tires all screwed up. So I mean, we can't really send it back with electrical tape on the valve stem. We didn't do that, by the way, but I don't think that's dyno approved. No, I mean, you can hear it. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to Nissan tomorrow and just give it a new valve stem. That way he can have his car back hopefully by the weekend. And we're gonna put some restrictions on it, boost cut and stuff like that. It's a brand new engine, pretty much. So if anything, we started it for the first real time we got into boost with this because he was limited on his old ECU. So even if you put about 500 miles on it, we'll feel really good. Yeah. I'm gonna open up that other door. Okay. So this is a customer Evo Oscar that has the SR20 that we're building in there that TJ built. This is his Evo. I think Evolution Dynamics did a lot of work on it. Seems to be running good. I think there's a boost leak or a vacuum leak on it right now. It's kind of making it have a weird idle, but we're going to be fixing that. What are you gonna do with that? Me too. Can we I think we just that we're putting in a car. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's just a stock replacement. That should be a gravy deal. What is it? A B18? B18 B1, I think. B1, not VTEC. Should we tell them about this car? Sure. So this car, somebody, or one of our buddies swapped the car. Somebody did, I guess they modified the stock harness for the B18 to work. It's B18, right? With the B18 C1, I think? Yeah. So it's VTEC in. Anyways, this one's just getting finished up. He didn't really finish it in his garage, so vacuum lines, exhaust, we got to cut a flange off and make a new flange. Just basically the finishing touches. He did a pretty good job from what we could tell. There's just a few things that are a little wonky, but that's pretty much with anything. So anyways, we're gonna move that and try to get that Evo in under this because we don't want to leave it outside. So right. Stuff to do. Look at how those injector seals are. What the fuck? You poking out? Yeah, what's up with that, dude? I don't know, dude. And this one over here is like torn, and he said that one was leaking fuel.
And I said, that's a freaking vacuum leak right there.
Yeah, for sure. It's going straight to the cylinder.
It could be just pulling it. Yeah. Under boost, it might blow out that O-ring. It may not blow it. Well, that's a sketch deal. But and then he said that intake manifold side, that bolt over there was loose.
So that's like definitely.
But he said that the guy that put the intake manifold on said that he's pretty sure that the intake manifold gasket's leaking. He said if he was gonna look anywhere, that's where he'd look.
That's what the tuner said, or the?
I guess whoever worked on it. He said that that's what he thinks it is, the guy, just from hearing. Because Oscar said he checked all the couplers, and I mean the wastegate's not stuck open. So, and then he said if you look under there, like under the intake, there's like a pretty good oil leak, but it's above the transfer case. But I told him we may just pull that off anyways.
Does this have a factory oil cooler on the?
See, I was wondering that too. Well, it looks like the oil pressure sensor's leaking.
Oh, really?
Or something, some kind of sensor back there.
Bar.
Yep. So, anyways, hopefully this is fixed pretty easily. This is a really sweet car. We gotta say that this thing's really fucking fast when it runs good. I did beat Kevin's GTR, but then again, Kevin's GTR did have low compression. We're claiming that. It held up very well against my 240. It beat me by like a car or two, maybe 3 cars. But anyways, I think it makes close to 400. It's on a FP Black, and I think Evolution Dynamics did the work on it, or did the tune and stuff. It's also got a twin plate clutch. Nice little induction or intake right there. What else is up with this car? It's hard to say. I forget some of the stuff, but I know it's a pretty good little car. It's real quick for what it is. Man, these tiny batteries are awesome. Will you make sure I put the chain on that big door? Yeah. Sorry if I'm breathing in the microphone. This headache is gonna kill me. It feels like now I'm carrying a damn tire one-handed. Spare tire life. He's ordering some different wheels, but there goes Kevin. What is up, guys? Just got home, just got cleaned up, feeling much better now. Just edited the vlog. Sorry it ended up being a little longer than expected. Of course it was supposed to be a quick video, just like, you know, all of them are, and then they end up being like a day long, it seems like. But anyways, just want to say thanks, guys. We appreciate you. Thank you for supporting the shop. Thank you for supporting the YouTube channel. Thank you for your subscription, your likes, even your dislike, whatever you do on the video. Thank you. All of it kind of is a message back to me and what I need to do with the channel and where we need to go. Also going to go ahead and link you guys to a cool little t-shirt company that is Kevin's company. Also going to link our new website that we built for parts. I can show you really quick just on this even. I will put it in the description. Let me grab one. Hold on. There is our video. It's a Kudo Performance. So this is our website, as you can see. You can get some really cool parts here, your make and model and all that crap. Not really doing this as an advertisement video. You know that we built this all pretty much just on our own. We didn't do this for YouTube. I'm not literally trying to get advertisement for it all or anything, but I figured I'd always add it because I will be throwing discount codes eventually. And of course, if you go like our page Kudo Performance on Facebook, that'll be awesome too, because you'll be able to see live discount codes. We're going to go ahead and start a sale as this site does go live for the first time tonight. So we are still adding to it occasionally. Anyways, and if there's any parts on there you guys want to see on there, I can try to become a dealer for it and get you awesome prices. So that's what we're here for. Thanks again for supporting the channel. Thank you for all you do. Greatly appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe, like the video, and good night.